Today I'm showing house for $400,000 in Arnprior. I can tell you the truth, it is the weirdest house that I ever saw because the floors are tilted, and let's go inside and see the house. But you have to be very careful when you're buying the house if the floors are tilted, which means the house foundation is tilted too. So when you're buying, just be careful right from the first get-go. Look at signs like that for some latent defects of the house. We're inside the house, and when you come into the house, there's nothing weird about this house until you're starting to go, and the house going right up and down. The floors are really weird, and as you can see, the house is really nice and cute, but the floors are all tilted. It is a tilted floors, and I don't know how to describe it, but you have to be very careful with that, because if it is a tilted floors, it means we have a little problem with foundation, and it is gonna cost a lot of money to fix that. So right now, as you can see, we're gonna go and hit the stairs. So I'm going on the stairs, guys. It is feeling that I am literally falling back. This is, I'm telling you, this is the most weird house that I ever visited. So here's the second floor. It is pretty good here. It is 3 bedrooms. I would say under $400,000 in Arnprior. You can buy something better. I'm going here to kind of part of the attic. Did you see that? And I'm going down. It's like the weirdest house I ever visited in my life. It is so interesting. I want to show you something. So you can see right here how weird is that. You see the floor is just crooked. So we're going downstairs right now, and you know, it's pretty hard to go downstairs. It is not an inviting smell of the marijuana here, so unfortunately, you know, my clients are not excited about that. And you know, it is not much of the kitchen in the house, and it is the price $400,000, so it is a little bit kind of too much. So here's the kitchen, but you can see detached home, $400,000 in Arnprior, and this is how it looks like. I always stress to my sellers that you have to prepare the house for the buyers. You have to take a lot of your private pictures down. You have to clean the house. You have to also, if you have any smells, you have to get rid of them. So this is very important, guys. When you sell the house, you know, a buyer that really wanna buy the house can be turned off by a lot of things that agents telling you a lot of times to get rid of. So listen to your agents. If you're interested to see some houses in Arnprior, Beckenham, Carlton Place, please give me a call. My phone number is right here. Alvina Usher, your Ottawa real estate expert.